This state-of-the-art facility represents the pinnacle of medical manufacturing, ensuring precision at every step.
The tensile strength readings are stable on line 3. Good.
Let's maintain the current temperature settings.
The latex used to make condoms begins as a natural material harvested from rubber trees.
On its own, natural latex is not strong enough. Medical-grade stabilizers and compounds are added later to improve.
These carefully controlled formulations allow latex to stretch, return to shape, and remain stable over time. These carefully controlled formulations allow latex to stretch, return to shape, and remain stable over time. This is a medical-grade condom manufacturing factory designed for precision, consistency, and safety.
Before any condom is formed, the process begins with carefully prepared liquid latex.
Each batch is tested to ensure purity, consistency, and safety.
Once prepared, the latex is transported to the factory, where the manufacturing process begins. Inside the factory, liquid latex is stored under controlled conditions before production begins.
Before forming begins, the latex is carefully mixed to maintain uniform strength. Once the latex is ready, the forming process can begin. The forming process begins with ceramic molds designed to shape each condom. Each former is dipped into liquid latex to create a thin, uniform layer. Multiple dipping cycles are used to achieve the required strength and elasticity. Heat is used to dry and stabilize the latex layers. This curing step ensures durability and long-term performance. This curing step ensures durability and long-term performance. This curing step ensures durability and long-term performance. After forming, the condoms are thoroughly washed to remove any residue. After forming, the condoms are thoroughly washed to remove any residue. Stretch tests ensure elasticity meets strict medical standards. Stretch tests ensure elasticity meets strict medical standards.
After testing, a measured amount of lubricant is applied to each condom.
A final drying stage ensures the lubricant is evenly distributed. Once dried, the condoms are carefully rolled into their final form.
Before packaging, each batch receives a final visual check.
Packaging protects each condom from contamination and damage.
Heat sealing locks in freshness and sterility. Each package is marked for traceability and safety.
Before leaving the factory, every batch undergoes final quality checks. Behind every product is a carefully controlled process.
This is how condoms are made. Well, twod, from start to finish. From natural latex to finished products, precision defines every step.